In this video, we'll cover fuse replacement for the Furrion Tankless water heater. Unlatch and remove the access door to the water heater compartment. Use the toggle switch to disconnect your unit from power. Locate the fuse screw cap directly above the toggle switch and unscrew it from the receptacle. Remove the fuse from the screw cap housing. Install your replacement 10 amp 125 volt glass fuse to the screw cap housing. Reinstall the fuse screw cap. Use the toggle switch to connect your unit to power. Replace the access door to the water heater. Rotate the latch and secure the door in place to complete the fuse replacement procedure.